I didn't disappear to improve my life. I disappeared because I was slowly ruining it. Same habits, same distractions, same excuses. And I knew, if nothing changed, nothing would change. So I made a decision. 30 days, no escape, no motivation, no hype, just rules. Because motivation fades, but rules don't. I gave myself 5 rules, and I followed them every single day. Rule 1, eliminate distractions, not reduce, eliminate. I deleted social media, turned off notifications, and made boredom unavoidable. Because the truth is, you're not lazy. You're overstimulated. When the noise disappears, you're finally forced to face yourself. Rule 2, control your mornings. No phone, no scrolling, just movement and silence. Wake up and move your body, even if it's just a walk. Because how you start your day decides how you live it. Rule 3, create more than you consume. Learn something, build something, improve a skill. Because consuming feels good, but building changes you. And identity is everything. Rule 4, do something hard every day. Train when you don't feel like it. Focus when it's boring. Keep going when your mind tells you to stop. Because discipline isn't built when it's easy. It's built when you want to quit. Rule 5, stay silent. No posting, no announcing, no telling people you're changing. Move in silence and let the results speak. The first few days were hard. Your mind fights back. It wants comfort. It wants easy dopamine. But then something shifts. You think clearer. You move differently. You stop negotiating with yourself. 30 days later, nothing around me changed. Same life, same environment. But everything inside me did. More control, more clarity, more discipline. I didn't become perfect. I became focused. And that's the difference. You still have time. Disappear and come back unrecognizable.